Hi guys, this is a YouTube channel Cook and Enjoy Recipes. This is Dr. Jaskiran. Today we will learn how to cook chickpea masala or chole masala. So this dish I will serve today. I will going to be serve this dish with the rice. So that is why I will make simple chana masala and not with that. That is served with the chole bhature. So today we will make simple chana masala. So I have soaked these chickpeas early in the morning. Now and that too in the hot water because these are winters and it will take a bit more time to get it ready. So that is why it is now in the afternoon. It is 1 o'clock. I have taken these chickpeas in the pressure cooker and I have taken this much of water, just half a inches above the level of chickpeas. So it will make your or boil your chanas in no time, especially in 2 or 3 whistles. After 2 or 3 whistles at high flame, simmer it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and your chickpeas are ready. So this is the fundamental principle that works behind that in order to cook your recipes in no time. I have also added half a teaspoon of salt into it, and partially I will add into the tadka. So that is why I have taken half a teaspoon of salt into the chickpeas to let them boil for a few minutes. I have made certain preparation in order to make tadka. I have ground 2 large onion along with ginger and garlic that you are seeing, and here is tomato puree that is made out of 10 large tomatoes, and here are guys, you are seeing I have put cumin seeds along with tadka. So saute it till golden brown. Similarly, I am adding some amount of salt into it. Partially I have added it to chickpeas that I have already told you, so that tadka will cook easily and quickly because it acts as an electrolyte. I have put Kashmiri red chili into it as it gives a bright red color to the recipe. It looks good. I also added freshly cut coriander leaves into it, and it is the time to add this to the mixture. This is the most important step as it will take half an hour to cook the recipe properly, otherwise it won't taste good. As you are seeing, the masala is still going on, so the bubbles shows the presence that it is approximately cooked, so it is nearly cooked. So cook until the oil oozes out of the sides of the container, so you have to take patience by the time. This is the appropriate time to add chickpeas into this, boiled chickpeas or parboiled chickpeas, because the oil oozes out of the sides of the container. So it goes like this. Shake with the gentle movements so that chickpeas can be mixed evenly in the mixture, like this. Let it boil for 5 minutes and then transfer it to pressure cooker, and pressure cooker it for 5 minutes and then close the gas, and then let the whistle to simmer down on its own, and then open the lid of the pressure cooker, and then you can serve. And I have added some garam masala and chole masala to it so as to taste it so good. Like this, plate it with the rice and salad, and it tastes like anything else. Have this dish with puris or chapatis or lachha paratha. Like and subscribe. Thank you.